Hi everyone, this is Robbie here from the Web Shack, and in this tutorial I'm just going to quickly run through the WooCommerce tabs. And in another few videos I took you through everything under settings. It's because there's quite a bit in there, like shipping and payments and so on. So take a look at those videos. But in this video I'm just going to run through. This is just the home dashboard of. So basically, just quickly, WooCommerce is the let's say the functionality of your cart, of how your online store. Okay, so the shipping, when orders are placed, where you could see what clients are coming in, your customers, a database of all your customers, setting up everything, reports. You can see what kind of reports you're getting, based on stock, how many sales reports and so on. But I'm going to go through this quickly. I've already done all of those settings once, so let's just go into orders. Let me go through orders. MDS confirm, that's part of settings, so that you can look at those settings. That's basically a shipping company. So if you go into settings, you'll see a whole video on how to set up shipping, so that one's fine. Gift cards, we have another video on that, a specific video. Customers, I'll show you now. Coupons, we have another video for that as well. Reports, I'll quickly show you that now. Abandoned cart, another video on that. Okay, so let's go through orders, customers, and reports. Okay, so let me just go and click on orders. Okay, so this is basically the spot where when someone checks out and they place an order, this is where the orders all come through straight away. Okay, obviously the system sends you the order as well, saying, listen, someone's placed an order and they've paid, and you can start getting their shipping set up and ship the product over. Okay, so this is the back of orders. So if you come into the back end under WooCommerce, you click orders, and it'll bring up. You can see that's me, Robbie Carter, placed an order 31 minutes ago, and it's pending because obviously I didn't make any payment and so on. But this is where all your list of orders would come in, okay, which is quite nice. So, and they'll give a status. So this status will say whether it was pending, whether it was cancelled, whether it was completed, and so on. Okay, so which is quite nice. So you can know if something's happened with the order and so on. Okay, so what I'm going to do in here, so I only have one order. Normally this is full of orders, but you come in here every day and you just take a look at what it was. You can even filter through your orders based on dates. Obviously we only have one order, so it's only September, and then you can type in registered customers to filter based on the actual customer as well, which is quite nice. Okay, so let me just click here and let me just show you what's inside when I click on an order. Okay, so and this is where you'll spend a lot of your time, because obviously every morning you want to check out what's going on with your orders and so on. Okay, so now I've placed the order. You could see here that I want these two beers. I got the price here, so this is what you can see. Okay, you can see, look at all that information as well, but the main information is here when I placed the order, the status. This means that I actually didn't make a payment. I just checked out, and I said I wanted to do an EFT, but nothing really happened. Here's my billing address and my shipping address, so you know exactly where to ship my products. Here's my email address and my phone number, so you can get in contact with the customer as well. Okay, so over here, if I go on this drop down, the status, this is all the different statuses: processing, completed, cancelled, refunded, and so on. Nice thing is you can go under orders, and let's say something happened and the payment didn't come through, or you don't have the product or something. You can actually choose one of these and say, let's say it's cancelled, okay, and then you update over here, and then it'll automatically send your customer an email saying it was cancelled. But in this case, you'll probably want to send a more custom general email to them, so it's more, you don't want to have this random email that just says cancelled, because it might not be good customer service. But anyway, those are the options. I think the main thing is that when you click on orders, you can see if it's cancelled, pending, or something, because sometimes a credit card doesn't work and then it'll just say cancelled, so like nothing really happened. Okay, so that's orders. Okay, so now we've looked at orders. Let's go into customers. Customers, obviously, when customers go online and they want to check out and they create an account, this is basically a database of all your customers. Okay, so which is quite nice. So you can always be in comms with your customers. You can use this information for other things if you like, but it's quite nice to just have a database of all your customers. Okay, at the moment we don't have any customers really because it was just me, but yeah, so I'm the only customer in here, but I can see all my information here. There's my email address. Well, it's not really mine, but I think you get the gist. So and then the nice thing about this is you could filter through. You could take a look at these filters, advanced filters. You can search by customer name, and the nice thing is you can actually download. So yeah, you can actually choose what categories you want, and you can actually download a CSV of all your customers. So you might want to put that into another database or whatever, which is quite nice. It's quite a nice area to filter through your customers that come through. Okay, so that's customers, and then let's go to reports. Okay, so under reports, like it says, it's basically a tab for what orders have been placed. So I'm under orders here. So there's 3 tabs here, orders. Okay, so nice thing I can filter by sales by date, sales by product, sales by category, coupons by date, customer downloads. Okay, so it's quite nice. You can go through here. Obviously, we don't have anything because we haven't made any orders, but yeah, you can actually say how much sales by date did we make this year, last month, 7 days. You can even customize it by clicking here and choose exactly the date. So, and then once you've got your reports, you can even pull a CSV. So it's actually quite nice, especially for just keeping your business and knowing exactly what's going on. Okay, and then you have it by product and so on there. Okay, so let's go into customers. This is just pulling a report based on customers. Okay, so whether the customer left or whatever, deleted the account and so on. But normally you would use this tab to see your customer stuff. So that's just the general one you can use. And then stock. So this is to pull reports on how much stock do you have left, and how much stock how low in stock, out of stock, most stocked, and so on. Okay, obviously we don't have any because it's just demos, but the quite nice thing is once you have your stock in here, you can also pull a CSV as well. So that's basically your reports and your reports for your online store, which can be quite powerful. Thanks very much for watching.